Welcome to creating simple turnaround rigs in Toon Boom Harmony Essentials. Here you will learn the basics of the software and also how to create and rig a 2D character that can move in multiple directions, whether facing front, side, or 3/4. My name is Tony Ross, and I have over 2 decades of experience teaching animation to individuals and companies. In addition to this, I've created courses on Toon Boom software for O'Reilly, LinkedIn, Lynda.com, and I am also one of Toon Boom's trainers teaching Harmony and Storyboard Pro to schools and instructors. We designed this course for people looking to unlock the power that Harmony Essentials has when it comes to creating cutout animation. By the end of the course, you'll know how to design, rig, and animate your own characters using Toon Boom's entry-level software. We will show you step by step how to rig a simple yet powerful cutout character just using Harmony Essentials. You'll learn the basic drawing and coloring tools, how to design a cutout character, how to bend and move your character using drawings and deformers, and even how to create a simple walk cycle. So if you're a student, hobbyist, or small studio looking to learn how Toon Boom Harmony works, or maybe you've been hesitant because you've heard about Toon Boom software's learning curve, well, don't worry, we've got you covered. For this course, you need to know 2 things. 1, there's a course on turnaround rigs in Toon Boom Harmony Essentials, and 2, we're teaching it. We've designed this course for the animator or hobbyist looking to refresh or get their feet wet with Harmony, and for people wanting a little more info than the average Toon Boom Harmony Essentials tutorial. This is probably one of the more detailed courses we've made to date, as it covers just the rigging aspect of a turnaround character, but it's over 5 hours of information. For more details, feel free to look at the course outline in the description, and we look forward to you joining our course today.